Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to unbox this Tamiya Fine Spec radio control system. This is basically all of the electronics that you will need. If you're going to buy a TT02 kit, this is kind of what is remaining that you need to buy. This picture right here is actually on the side of a TT02 box. So inside you're going to find the transmitter, receiver, and extra ESC, because most kits here, at least here in America, comes with a ESC already, a servo, a battery, and a charger. Now these are not kind of top of the line electronics, but if you're giving this to somebody who's new to the hobby, or you're not sure what you're getting, this would be an easy companion to a Tamiya kit, because they're going to have everything they need to get it running. All right, so let's go ahead and open it. All right. Okay, everything is in this box right here. Oh, I think it's the other way. Yeah, let's see. I think everything's on this side. Yep. There we go. Let me set the box aside. So it comes with two boxes. Let's go ahead and open this first, because I see the servo already. So this is going to be the servo. I don't want to open it yet. I'm going to be actually installing this into a TT02 kit, probably in the next video. And here is the RC receiver. And this is the extra ESC that you get. And here's the transmitter. It's got all the trim adjustments that you need. It's nothing fancy. This is plastic, it's not foam. Battery compartment on the bottom. Like I said, this is pretty standard. It takes it looks like it takes only 4 batteries, because these don't have a spring to them. Okay, so 4 batteries for that. That's what it looks like. It's light. I don't think it's the greatest quality, but you know, it's branded Tamiya. All right, here is the remaining box, and that's the trickle charger. And the battery, I think, is going to be in this compartment right here. All right, so this is a nickel cadmium battery. This is not a LiPo. And this actually, with this charger, this probably take like 8 hours to charge. So whenever you're building a kit, that's the first thing you should do. And it's usually the first step in a car manual, is to charge the battery. All right, let's take a look at the manual. This is in Japanese. I can't read this, but I'm sure this is something about charging the battery, connecting the battery, some warning. This is all in Japanese, because I bought this on Amazon. I think it came from a seller that is using Amazon for fulfillment. So this particular kit, which I'll leave a link below, it looks like it came from Japan. It's not a Tamiya USA product. Yeah, pretty much. Oh, this side has English, so that's good. And this one, I hope, should have English as well. Yep, it does. But all the information you need usually is in the car kit when it comes to RC electronics. So this is everything you get with the Tamiya Fine Spec radio control electronic system. So again, this is the ESC, that is the receiver, and that is the servo. All right, that concludes this unboxing video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing and hitting that like button. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.